I have these curtains, right? And they're all the way to the floor. They're sweeping the floor. When I bought them 120 inches, right? My goal was to just have them to, to just barely kiss the floor, and they're too long. So I have them from ceiling to floor because I love to have curtains. So I'm gonna go and attempt now to just hem just hem them up a little using this double-sided fabric tape. So I got this tape from Amazon. They say it's working, so I'm gonna go ahead and try, and see how this works for me. And another thing I want to do, I'm gonna try to do today, is to deal with the top up there. I'm gonna put some toilet paper rolls, so that the pleats can be a bit more lumptious. So here we have a bifold. I have a bifold door here. So this is where the yellow and the white is, and then I have the grays at the end where the two windows are. Okay. So whenever I'm changing my curtains, I'm only changing the yellow. Obviously, I wash the others, but I'm changing the yellow, and then I'm replacing it with this Christmas, I'm just leaving up the yellow. I can't be bothered. I have a teal curtain, like the yellow one, and some teal pillows, but so I'm just gonna go and try and hem up these curtains right about now. Okay, so see how they drag it on the floor. I don't like that puddle. Don't like that. So the first thing I went ahead and do was to cut off the hemming at the bottom of the curtain, and this can always use to tie the curtain. So then I went ahead and I used some safety pins, and just marked where I wanted the hem to be, where I wanted the tape to be. And yeah, then I went ahead with the tape. I did some rough measurements. These measurements are not accurate, guys, but I knew exactly what I was doing, but I had no idea what I was doing. Hope you understand. But yeah, I went ahead and I just added a double tape. So tapes were easy, I must say, to apply. Some of them was sticking on my skin, which means it's really, really strong. So I'm expecting these to last a really, really long time, or at least until I wash them. But I have more. Then I went ahead with the white. I did the same thing. And the white was a little bit harder to do because the material was just different. So I had to take my time with the white one, so that it wouldn't crease up or anything. But I got it done and I had fun doing it. I am so proud of myself, y'all. So my curtains, they're not puddling on the floor anymore. They are kissing the floor as they should. Okay, so I mean the yellow one is a bit too short, but that's fine. And I'm just happy with the results. I'm really, really happy with them. I am loving the way, it turned out. So what I'm gonna attempt to do now, I have a box full of toilet paper rolls. I'm going to go up there and I'm just gonna put the rolls, like in between. I'm not gonna take down the rods and the curtain because that will take too much time and whatever. So I'm gonna just slip the the toilet paper rolls and just put them in. Yeah, really see what I'm talking about. These are the amount of stuff from the tape. That sentence was and these are what I cut off from the curtain. And that's what this courtroom is about. Sometimes you got to lay it on the line. Because when you tell the truth, that's what people and the kind of father I know you want to be. Okay? So I am just applying the toilet paper rolls in the part where at the top for the curtain. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. But yeah, these are easy things all over YouTube, right? So I think slitting the toilet paper roll made it so much easier for me, rather than taking down all of those heavy curtains. Well, they are not heavy. Instead of taking down the curtains, and pushing in the rod, pushing in the rolls, I think this method was easier when I slit it, and it worked really well for me. If laziness was a person, that's Nikita. These are the finished results. They're just looking like that because the curtains have different tops, The yellow ones have grommets and the other ones are tappets. These are the curtains. This is them with the extra, oomph at the top with the toilet paper roll. And this is them cut. I mean, this yellow one here is a bit short, but that's totally fine. I'm just happy with the results. I am happy that they are not, dragging on the floor anymore. And I'm just satisfied. And this is the grid over here. I don't know with this. I'm thinking I will probably use these, but I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna put these in the laundry first. I'm thinking I can probably use these to tie back the curtains. I don't know. But I have this magnet. I have these magnetic things I have bought on Shein, to do that job, to get that job done. So I don't know. I don't know what I'll use yet, but I'm just happy with the results for now. I'm just happy that my curtains are how they're supposed to be. So I have those in my bedroom as well that are paddling on the floor. So I'm gonna try to, not today because they take me hours because I'm not able. So yeah, guys, these are the results of my curtains. So this is a good way to keep your curtains, from paddling on the floor. And yeah, as you can see, the toilet paper rolls, it helps to give them a little oomph at the top. It looks more pleated and like a bit more organized. I did not put any in the middle here because I wanted the middle to remain small. It doesn't make any sense. I just decided to leave these here like that. So this is satisfied with the results. I'm just leaving the middle here just like that, and yeah. And I think I left the light filtering ones because it allows light to come inside as well. But these, I just love. This is just a sneak peek of my living room decor. It's not much. All I did was the curtains and the throw pillows and blanket and a couch. I'm not done decorating my living room as yet. I still have to buy more stuff to put in it. But listen, those are gonna take a while. I'm just taking it one step at a time because Rome was built in a day. So yes, thank you guys so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for viewing this video. I really appreciate it.